Another day, another topic to discuss with. I am your guide, Jeneline Rivera, who answers your wonders. And today, let's uncover the hidden connection between harmony of life, science, society, and biodiversity. The life around us and the life within us that matters for our health, daily lives, and of course, for our future. So, first, let us answer the question: what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the variety of life from genes inside a single plant to all the species in ecosystem to entire habitats like forests and wetlands. It includes genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. This variability includes everything from genes and microorganisms to plants, animals, and the ecosystems they form. A healthy biosphere with high biodiversity provides essential services like clean air and water, food security, and climate regulation. This variety is the foundation that keeps ecosystems functioning. And now let's break down the three types of biodiversity. First one is the genetic diversity. This refers to the variety of genes found within a species. For example, different rice varieties have different traits. Some resist pests, others survive floods or droughts. Genetic diversity is important because it helps species adapt to changes, survive diseases, and continue evolving. Next one is the species diversity. This is the number of different species living in a particular area. From tiny insects to towering trees and large mammals, each species has a role to play. The more species present, the healthier and more stable an ecosystem becomes. Losing even one species can disrupt the balance of nature. And the last one is the ecosystem diversity. This refers to the variety of habitats or ecosystems on Earth: forests, coral reefs, wetlands, grasslands, and more. Each ecosystem provides unique services such as clean air, water, food, and climate regulation. The more diverse our ecosystems are, the more benefit society receives. So, why does biodiversity is important to our health and lifestyle? With that, many medicines we use come from plants, fungi, or microorganisms discovered in nature. Healthy ecosystems filter our water and clean the air we breathe. They also support food production through soil, health, and pollinators, and they provide jobs and cultural value for communities that rely on forests, rivers, and fisheries. But biodiversity is under threat. Activities like deforestation, pollution, overfishing, and climate change cause species and habitat loss. When biodiversity declines, we lose pollinators and beneficial insects. Food supplies can fall. Water and the air quality worsen, and ecosystems become less resilient to shocks. These can increase the risk of disease outbreaks and reduce a community's ability to recover from disasters. With that, to protect biodiversity, here are four practical solutions we can start within our community. First is the habitat restoration and protection. We can replant native trees, protect wetlands, and support conservation areas. These steps allows ecosystem to recover and species to thrive again. Next is promoting sustainable consumption. Simple choices like using eco friendly products, avoiding single use plastics, and supporting local farmers using sustainable practices help lessen environmental damage or problems. Third is community education and awareness. We can organize school or barangay campaigns that explains why biodiversity matters. Teaching people about proper waste disposal and responsible actions creates big change. And lastly, supporting local biodiversity projects. We can join or organize cleanups, tree planting drives, seed bank projects, and wildlife protection programs right in our community. These solutions may seem small, but together they create a powerful impact. In the end, protecting biodiversity is not just the job of scientists or environmental groups. It is a responsibility we all share. Every decision we make, from the products we buy to the waste we throw away, affects the world we live in. By taking small but meaningful actions, we help build a healthier society and a safer future. So, let us work together to protect the life around us so it can continue to support the life within us. This is Janine Rivera, leaving you a quote from David Attenborough: "The future of humanity, and indeed all life on earth, depends on us." Thank you for listening and see you in my next learning adventure. Bye bye.